Hello everyone, we are now at Rouge Park, also known as Rouge National Urban Park. This park is centered around the Rouge River in the Greater Toronto area. Since last 1 decade, Parks Canada has been working to nationalize this park and also working to double the size of the original Rouge Park. Parks Canada introduced new educational programs to the park, including Learn to Camp, Learn to Hike, Fireside Chats, and other complementary programming. Today we came here to enjoy the hiking trails during the winter with the snow. We'll also enjoy the bird's eye view of the surrounding area. So let's enjoy the beauty of this Rouge Park.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes, your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. Keep searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes, your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. Keep searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kiss lost spring, my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Thank you for staying with us. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our ES Studio channel. Also hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you.